Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on taking screenshots on a Samsung Galaxy Tab. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You take screenshots by pressing the lock button and the volume down button at the same time. So just press them both at the same time and then a screenshot will appear at the bottom of the screen. The screenshot will save to your gallery. You can tap on the screenshot to open it right away. If you are on a scrollable page and would like to screenshot the whole page in one screenshot, rather than scrolling down and taking several, you can take the screenshot like normal, and then tap on this 2 down arrows button, and the screenshot will automatically scroll down and capture the whole page in one. You can also write and draw on your screenshot by tapping this pen and square icon here. Then tap the down arrow to save your edited screenshot. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.